single-use plastic. In our rooms, we provide eco-friendly food
Can
and
come up.
amenities
You
for our
just come
guests
up
to
with me
use.
and I'll introduce you.
And further, taking steps for sustainability and conserving water and energy, we have decided to take the linen, use it and change it upon request from the guests. At our breakfast, we offer the variety of fruits, I would say locally sourced fruits, which are further unconsumed fruits changed into homemade jams for our guests to experience another delicious variety. They are dedicated for the meticulous taste, sorting and recycling, which will further have minimum impact on our environment. We believe that we will continue moving forward, taking all necessary steps to have a beautiful and sustainable future.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Welcome back to the main stage. I'm coming out of the corner. Normally I'm over in the corner, but now we are talking to Khun Mew. Now, Khun Mew is from Oklin, and Oklin are sustainable food waste management carbon footprint calculators as well. Now, I don't know what Oklin does, so I'm going to stay up here and ask Khun Mew, tell me a little bit more about what Oklin do.
Hi, Josh. Nice to meet you. Oklin is actually a food waste composter, but the good thing about it is that it's used microbacterial, so that's why it used like not much energy because it's mainly is the power of the microbes. Yeah.
Okay, so you're using microbes.
Yeah.
So how quickly does your food compost? How quickly do food products compost?
One day about 24 hours.
So you can turn my stale bread into compost.
Not only that, including spaghetti, including all the fruit peels, all the eggshells, everything, it can turn into compost the next day.
Coffee ground?
Yeah, sure, just put in.
So this is a solution. How big are these machines? Is this something I can use in my one-bedroom condo?
Yes, there is a unit for your condo, and there is also a unit for a hotel as well. So we have about 16 size of the unit.
16 sizes that you can choose from.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so this means that I can take my eggshells and my coffee grounds from breakfast.
Yeah.
And the next morning I can put the compost in my one pot plant, which I have to replace often because I'm really not good at keeping pot plants alive.
Including your expired milk as well.
Even my expired milk.
Exactly.
I drink a lot of milk, it never expires.
So it never expires. So you actually compost by yourself, huh?
Right, correct. I do my own composting internally. I don't have to pay for it.
And the next day you poop out. That's your compost.
There we go. But I don't put that on my plant. Yeah, very good. So this is all the way from a condo. I can put it in my condo, all the way up to how big? How big a hotel could use something like this?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. We have the size to suit each hotel. Some hotel, they were saying they have like only a few rooms. Some hotel have lots of rooms. So
how many rooms? What's the biggest hotel that you've put your systems into?
I would say 100 hotels. That's the biggest unit.
Wow. And tell me, I believe that you contributed to the winner at lunchtime. There was a video competition, right?
Yes, there is the Intercontinental Hotels video that they got awarded.
So the Intercontinental video, the hotels created a video, and they were the winners of the video competition.
Yes, they're also using our composter.
And they featured the Oklin composting unit, right?
Yes, that's why they do the whole sustainability by using part of it is our machine that they use as well to eliminate the food waste and then turn into compost. And then we support to communities nearby the hotels, which is Gamala community, with the local government support as well. Yeah, and also the school. Yeah, so the kids get to grow compost. They grow vegetable from their own food waste compost.
You know, this is what we mean by a circular, in the sense of being able to, I purchase it from somewhere and maybe somewhere local. I don't eat it, but it goes into a composter. A day later, I can not only just use it in my own garden, but I can also give it to schools and local community groups. and the
Exactly.
government can put that, and then they put that in the ground, and then we grow more food which we don't eat,
Yes.
and we can put back in the
Yeah.
composter.
Yeah.
This is circular. This is
This
amazing.
is full circular, and it's full zero waste because we don't have any wastewater treatment that need to do, and no leakage, no nothing.
Yeah, and it's microbes. So that's what makes it even better, because if you're using microbes, then it's fast and simple. I thought, I mean, I remember being when I was young, we had the bin out the
Like
back
that?
and we had to do that,
Yeah.
right? So I'm thinking that the only reason we had to do that was for exercise.
And that is about, I think that takes at least 2 months, I think.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Uh-huh.
And then it smells bad
smell.
and it leaks horrible stuff out. But now the world has changed, right?
Yeah, it's easier with the technology, and then we get to choose the types of the microbes that we use, because normally underground we have about at least 2,000 to 3,000 species. So we just select what that eat protein, what can eat carbohydrate, what can eat some specific things, and then I would say create its home, and then keep it regrow again by just let it eat our food waste.
That's fantastic. Have you got any microbes that eat fat?
Yeah, there is. You want to digest something like that?
Pom uana. I'm wondering if there's any microbes that you could tumble me round for a day. I don't mind, as long as I could lose a few kilos.
I take the compost, stir it, mix with hot water, and let you drink.
Yeah, that would make me lose weight, no doubt. Okay, thank you, Khun Mew. This is from Oakland. Is there something you want to tell the other exhibitors and visitors here
Yes,
today?
yes, that's all. Thank
Okay.
you so much, John.
All right, thank you. You find Oakland at number 25.
25,
Yeah?
yes.
Okay, and please come and see Khun Mew. She has a wonderful sense of humour. She has a great batch of microbes, and she makes compost in just one day. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks, Khun
Thank
Mew.
you, Josh.